What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. Now in today's video I shall be unboxing the brand new 2020 5K iMac. Now of course the full spec for the machine that I'm unboxing in today's video can be found down below in the video description. I shall also be uploading a number of different videos in which I run a number of different tests, be that video editing or even gaming on this particular machine. So if you are yet to do so, then be sure to subscribe. In fact, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then be sure to do so. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the specification of the iMac model that I'm unboxing today. So I have the model with the 3.8 GHz 8-core 10th generation i7, which can turbo boost all the way up to 5 GHz. Also, like the base model, it has 8 GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 memory, which thankfully can be upgraded to 128 GB by the user. It also comes with 512 GB of SSD based storage, along with the Radeon Pro 5500 XT, which has 8 GB of video memory. Also, this particular configuration will set you back around £2,299 here in the UK. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with the brand new 2020 5K iMac. Lifting up the top flap of the box reveals a smaller box which reads designed by Apple in California. Now within this you will find your included accessories. So the accessories that Apple ship with this iMac are the exact same that we've seen for many years now, meaning you get the Magic Keyboard 2, which charges up using the Lightning port on the rear, and you also get the Magic Mouse 2. Now the Magic Mouse 2 has not seen a significant redesign. Now I say this because the way that you charge and pair this mouse to your iMac is simply by plugging it into the Lightning port, which is on the bottom of the mouse, which isn't exactly the most convenient thing to do, especially seeing as you cannot charge the mouse while using it. Next up, you get your documentation envelope. Now within this you'll find quite a few different things. Now the first of these is of course your quick start guide, which gives you a general overview on the ports and of course how to set up the device itself. Now this is then followed up by details on your 1-year limited Apple warranty, along with some health and safety disclaimer notices, which is then followed up by 2 white Apple stickers along with a microfiber cleaning cloth to help clean the glass surface of the 5K display. And lastly, you also get a lightning cable. Now this is a standard lightning cable that has been shipping for many years, ever since the iPhone 5, and it can also be used to charge up an iPhone or charge up your accessories. And finally, removing the iMac from its outer box and the polystyrene that's used to protect it from when it's being shipped, we get our first look at the exact same general design that we've seen on iMacs now for many years. Now removing the final layers of packaging reveals the lovely unibody design that we've all become so familiar with. I shall also be uploading a number of different videos over the coming few days in which I run a number of different tests on this particular machine, which will of course be followed up by my full and in-depth review of this product. So if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when those videos go live. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively, in fact it's the best place, my social media links to which are down below in the video description and they're also on screen, so I'll see you over there. But once again, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.